All right, good morning. It's a little after 7 on a Friday morning. I'm not working, which means we're fishing. So I've had my coffee. I fed my cat. Hey, Bubs. Hey, no plants. Relax. And yeah, we're gonna have a good time. So we're gonna get out there early. Butters with the flowers. What the heck, man? Come on. No. You're gonna get sick. Here's the thing with plants. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. I'll tell you what, let's just start where we started last time. Man, the water is unbelievably calm right now. It's also super foggy. You can't see a dang thing. I don't know what this morning's gonna look like as far as getting anything. Oh my God, I got a bite right there. Oh my God. Okay, well that answers that question. Right there at the right there at the bank. I don't know if you even saw that, but that was a nice bite on a fish. Try that. Yep. Oh, I had another fish. Stormed a lot yesterday afternoon, and so the water's pretty muddy as a result. All right, we'll switch it up. We'll go to this little cove here. Oh my God. And way down there. What is happening right now? What the heck? Oh no, this is not good. First challenge of the day. So something whack happened with my line where it like doubled up. I don't really understand exactly what transpired, but basically it like unraveled. I had to I really didn't know what to do, so I just kind of like did the only thing I knew that might work, which was like cut one side of it, cut the other side of it, and basically like act as if the line was raveled. I don't know. I definitely screwed up is what happened. So we're gonna try this one again. It's hard to beat a spoon bait. I mean, come on. This whole thing, I don't know. Okay, I still have my bait. See it. Go out there with it. Wow, that is right on the bank. Wow. Fantastic. Yep. Bite. That's a good one. No, it's not a good one. It's definitely a small one. I don't know why I said that. I mean, it's a bass. It's always a good one. Yes, sir. Oh, I hooked him real good. Oh my God. All right, hang in there, bud. Yep, there we go. Still got your eyeball, from what I can tell. Beautiful, beautiful lines right there. What an awesome fish. Thank you, bud. Get you back in the water. Beautiful little bass. But I tell you what, it'll get the blood flowing is what it'll do. I felt really good about that one because I didn't. Same thing with this cast. Landed it right on the other side. I mean, within inches of the other side of the bank. So we know it works. I was always told growing up that bass really prefer to hang out right here on the bank, and you cast along the bank line. I heard they like to chase, and I heard they like banks. One last shot, way down on the bank line there. The dock just looks beautiful. All those lily pads, you can kind of still see them, but they all used to be on the surface. And I'm assuming with the storm, pushed all of them underneath the surface of the water, just because of the water levels. There's a little bit more water clarity right here. You can see the sun's kind of lighting it up a little bit more. It looks like the water just completely submerged these lily pads. Over here. Yeah, right here in the deep stuff. Just ever so slightly. Okay. Okay. That's wild. I can actually step out onto this. It's great. A little bit closer. Full confession. Don't know how to use a baitcaster. I really don't. Like I've never really tried it. I've always used these, and so I'm wanting to get one. I'm excited about. That is a giant fish. Oh my God! I think that was a carp. That is a huge freaking fish. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so I'm thinking about getting a baitcaster soon, learning how to use it. I feel like it's the next step in the journey. So we'll switch it up. So I have this random bait. Okay, let's try it. It smells fishy over here. Good weight on this thing, actually. It's just a little different. This one is a lot like the one I was just using, so it does concern me just a little bit. Oh, hey, yeah, let's go. Let's go. That's a little bit better size there. I like it. Yeah. Nice, good hook on him too. Right on the top lip. Came right off. That's awesome. A little bit better fish. I don't know if you can get the light on that. Yep. Awesome. Okay, man. Appreciate ya. That's awesome. Second fish of the day. Okay, well, that answers that question. So far, so good, Mr. Cricket Man. Yeah, there's that carp. That carp's right over there. It's a carp, man. That thing is huge. I remember when I was a kid, there was a first time I saw a carp in a pond like this. I saw it and I didn't know what it was. And so I was like just enamored with this fish because it was so big, and I was trying to catch it. And then I was told by someone older than me that it was a carp and I needed to leave it alone. So yeah, we're not really trying to go for carp. Although I imagine, I don't really know how carp fight, but my guess is as big as of a fish as they are, they probably would give you a good fight. Oh, I think I had one. I think I had a fish. We ain't going nowhere. We're gonna fish this spot until we ain't getting no more luck. It's like sun hitting the water, making the fish hungry. Yep. Another fish. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, man. Okay. Beautiful bass. That is awesome. never gets old, ever. I'm really glad I switched to this bait, man. Cricket. We're gonna cast just a little further at this angle. Maybe catch some of these guys over on this side. Yep. Yeah, sir. Not a big fish at all. Similar size to the other ones. Oh, he's fighting just a little bit. Yeah. A little smaller. None of these have really been big basket. They're all catching in the same spot, either on the top lip or right here on this left side. Yes, sir. Should I start naming these fish? I don't know. I know everybody's got their thing that they do. I know Lake Fork guy, he smells his fish. I don't know what our thing's gonna be quite yet. I gotta pick up my nephews in about a little under 2 hours probably at this point. We're really excited about it. We don't have any kids of our own yet, but nephews are a really good practice, so. Yes, sir. Oh, it came off. It came off. Not gonna lie. I'm kind of holding out for a big one though, because right now it's just a bunch of little small ones. Nothing that big. Yep. Oh, I can get reel it in a little bit more. Okay, all right, chill out, chill out. It is crazy. They're all in the same place, same exact spot they're hooking at. Yeah. Man, well, something's biting out there. I don't know if it's that carp or not. What a morning, man. Really glad I came out here. I'll wear this bait. Oh, yeah, okay. That's looks a little different, a little more color. There we go. Try over here. I do believe that you can overfish a spot and you have to give it a break, go to a different spot, and then you can come back to that spot maybe 20-30 minutes later and catch fish again. I just think sometimes, you know, you disturb the water and the fish get wise to it, and you have to give them a break and then you just come back. All right, so this could be maybe second to last or last spot of the day. It's crazy how high the water level is. Normally this is like a couple feet lower. So it has come up a ton. Oh no. He's doing it again. Hey, hey, hey. Okay, let's try again. There we go. Yep. Oh, it came off. Came off. Try this bank again. So, Yes, sir. Running a little bit. Yeah. Oh, is that better? Oh, are you kidding me? He was bigger. He was bigger. Oh my God. It seems like I cast straight out like this and I get somewhere within 20, 25 feet of the bank. I just reel slowly in. They're all right in that area. So I'm just going slow, just really feeling it out. Yep. Oh yeah. He flew. That is a tiny fish. He flew. Relax, 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 relax. Chill out. He was fighting hard for a tiny one. Oh my gosh. Cast over here again. Right, that is a skinny fish. Oh my gosh, that is a skinny fish. Oh my God. Came right off again. I just want to catch that big one, man. Spot cast over there. Get a little bit of a reach, but oh yeah. Last one of the day right here. Dang it. All right, well, that's it. All right, well, I'm walking back to the car now. Wow, thanks for joining me on this fine morning of some really good fishing. Didn't catch any big ones, but we caught a good many, and it was a lot of fun. So, as I said in the last video, if you got something out of this and you enjoyed it, consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Comment, let me know what you guys want to see. I'm wanting to do some challenge videos. Yeah, just have some fun with this. I also want to try different ponds, lakes. So far it's just been this one, and you know, it's been good, but I haven't really caught any big ones. So that being said, the small ones are still a lot of fun, and I'm grateful to be out here. And like I said, if you enjoyed this, then yeah, like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you want to see, and I'll see you on the next one.